Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I will unbox my accessories for my knitting machine. Let's see how it looks like, and then I will review this one too. So I'm excited to use this one. Let's open it. So I'm not using much of my hands to use this in my Addi knitting machine. So this is how it looks like. This one I bought it in Etsy. Let's say the thing is, you have in Etsy you have to pay the shipping. So this is how it looks like, the adapter. Now I need the electric screwdriver or something. So let's open the other. There you go. So this is wireless. You can charge it. So okay. It's a Black & Decker brand. And lithium, always ready. So this is how it looks like. So you can charge it, and then when you use it, if it's full, you can use it. So wireless. I will show you how I'm gonna use to my Addi knitting machine. So this is the charger and rechargeable. So I will use it and we'll see. So let's open this one and what this looks like, because I will use it and give reviews. This is handy. It's not too big, which is good. Light. Instruction. And the manual screwdriver instruction. So, and what is this? This one. To put it in the end here. We can try, and then you just. I need to charge it, guys, so that I can use it. So this is how I use my tools for this machine. So it's more easier and it's more faster. So see, you just put this one like that. More fast and more efficient in your time, and then it's more easy, like it's not hurting your arms. So I love this one. It's very useful for me. I have lots of hats that I made with this, different kind of colors. So nice.